Now, over in St. Thomas, residents of Landewey and surrounding areas are demanding that the authorities pick up the pace of the work to construct the bridge in their community. They've been without the structure for 5 months. The alternative path is a perilous, flooded crossing when it rains. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson was in the parish and filed this report.
This road through Landewey in St. Thomas is one way for tourists and nature lovers to access the famous Blue Mountain. But for these men and women, it is merely the way home. But getting home was not easy on Friday. The community's bridge, which fell into disrepair, is being replaced. The residents have been using this road as the alternative route, but the alternative route could not withstand the volumes of water coursing through the area on Friday.
Them block off here and put one culvert there, so the plastic culvert. Them put right there. But that one plastic culvert couldn't hold the volume of water will come down. You understand? So the increased rainfall caused all of this to happen.
The result, stranded residents on either side. But soon some got tired of waiting. Other residents were happy to help them attempt the journey across. Rod in hand and pants rolled up, this resident acted as a guide through the deep water. So you take up some stone, you try to find a path. What are you doing?
I try if a vehicle go through it.
And one by one, motorists made it across. But one wasn't that lucky.
This was the risk all along. This motorist, like many others, at least 5 others before him, tried to navigate the perilous pathway. But it has not worked. His motor vehicle is stuck.
After pushing and pulling for nearly an hour, the vehicle was finally secured. Back where the old bridge was, we watched as residents climbed into the gully to reach the other side of the community. Another risky trek.
This is where the bridge is being reconstructed. So it's clear work is ongoing. The problem though is that it's taking too long. Residents say it's been going on for about 5 months and they are pointing fingers at the workmen for taking too long. But the workmen in turn are pointing fingers at the authorities. They say the low compensation is what is slowing down the work.
Down there, every tractor come broke down there. You understand? And it have to dig out and set NWA man want it before the foundation put up, clean up and set up, steel up and whatever. You understand? So I just hit that reach to this. It took us from weeks still, but through the rain and fall.
So the work was delayed, it sounds like, because the tractors broke down?
Yeah. And not really the work, man, them will do the work happen. I just through when it starts to the first month or a little over that. It then says some dopey in the gully every day after midday the tractor and I carry it and it broke down there. Yeah man, they're down there one little short man in a jacket suit go outside there and right now I'm good at there with it. Couple of them down there when they're ready to kick up your can and work.
We did not see the mischievous spirits he referenced, but with more rain in the forecast, a spirit of unity and togetherness will have to be present in these parts to ensure they all remain safe. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.